9 books to read to run a successful business. Hello guys, reading these 9 books will help you to achieve your goal to become a millionaire. If you want to be a first millionaire in your house and to run a successful business, then you should read these books. If you are new to the channel, press the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell to never miss our new video. We rank best of the best business books that everyone should read during or before the journey. This is not the top 10 books, this is the list of books that we find valuable things in their pages. These are the books with some serious information and knowledge about business, customer, life, finances and many more. If you want to expand your business and do more sales and earn more money, then you should read these books and apply all techniques given in the books. Here are the 9 books that everyone should read to make a successful business and earn more money. Number 1. Think and Grow Rich. When you just finished your high school and thinking to start a business, then this book is for you. This book is basically the pillar of all other business books. Well, book title and text tells about the increase in income and growth in business. But the author says that by reading this book will help you in any field. This masterpiece of book is the results of 20 years of many successful individual who has amassed personal fortune. Don't judge this as it is the oldest book. If you haven't read it, please do it. Number 2. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This is the one of the best book that you can read on this planet. You should read this book before you start your financial journey. If you ever struggle financially, then read this book. This is the book that we read that truly made an impact in our life. It changed our view to look at life, make us understand the money work, and give us a financial freedom. This book teaches the importance of cash flow, and this is the perfect way to start and understand the difference between asset and liability. Every business community accept that this is the best ever written book. Number 3. The Intelligent Investor. When to read this book before you start investing in stock market. The author Benjamin Graham, one of the best investor and mentor and inspiration of Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, one of the richest person and the best investor of the stock market, he suggests all of his followers to read this book. By reading this book, you can avoid losing money in stock market. In this book, Benjamin teaches the vital elements of value investing, which stock you should buy, what type of company you should invest in your money. If you want to go on stock market, then this is the essential book to read. Number 4. Money Master, The Game. When to read this book, when money start coming in, or when your income starts and you don't know what to do with your money. Money Master, The Game is an incredible book we definitely recommend. The book breaks down and simplifies the process of secure financial future. The beauty of this book is the advice is just not coming from Tony, but from the people who are at the pinnacle of wealthy management, people who are already successful and rich. Number 5. The Power of Habit. When to read, when you think that you are wasting all the time. You all know that habits can make us or break us. Well, this book dives right into the science of how habits are created and how to alter them to your personal gain. If you are struggling with bad habits and looking for good ones, then this is the book for you. This book will bring some serious personal gain. Number 6. The $100 Startup. When you want to start a business, but you feel like you don't have enough money to do it, this is the book for you. You might never heard of this book. The book tells us how we can start a small, stable business without spending more than $100. There are lots of successful business started with less money. This book is filled with case study of successful business which was started with less than $100. This book tells us that money is not the problem to start a business. You can start your business with no money. Number 7. The E-Myth, Revisited. When to read this book, when you are struggling with your first business, in this book you will walk in life of a business. This book is the guiding light for all new businesses. In this book we will learn how to use the power of franchise. This book will make you identify the difference between working on your business and working into your business. This book teaches us different technique to grow and expand the business. Number 8. The 10x Rule. You should read this book when your business is no longer growing. This book is all about sales. By reading this book and implementing the techniques into your business will starting to take off. The best part of this book is there is no fancy words use and secret strategy. This book will help you to make your business stable and help you to grow it faster. Number 9. 0 to 1. When to read this book when you are ready to disrupt an entire industry. This is the short book, so it's easy to go through it. But don't underestimate its contents. Its content hits the target in right spot. This book will make you think differently. The author tells about how will be the future and what will be the startup growth and how the startup industry will work. There are lots of books to talk about. Let us know in the comment which book you will read first.